Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 3 of your Muffin Top Toning Challenge. All right, we're gonna do a short demo, show you what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna get straight into the workout. All right, first we have a squat to press rotation. All right, coming down into that squat, and then rotating, reaching for the sky as you come up, and then repeating right away to the other side. All right, and those elbows are up, all right? They're not down here. Our arms are engaged, all right? Our feet are hip width apart. Our knees never pass our toes, all right? Push them back, straight back. Next, we have oblique crunches. You can do this in 2 different ways. Hands down, reaching to the floor, side to side, or you can go ahead and put your hands behind your head and reach to the floor with your elbows, all right? Also keeping a straight back. Close that rib cage and breathe. Next, we have side punches. Boom, boom, boom. But we're not just, swinging our arms side to side. We're engaged with our entire body. You're twisting your entire body. That's where the muffin top and the belly come in. All right, twist, 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 twist. All right, using that to force that punch and then coming to the other side. All right, last but not least, a duck and swerve. This is fun. All right, so a little bit wider stance. We're gonna come down. All right, you're gonna swerve to the side like you're ducking some punches. All right, boom, boom, boom. All right, nice little U motion. All right, you're gonna feel it through your whole body. If any of these are not for you today, go ahead and just do some regular squats or some high knees. All right, and let's get into it. All right, set number 1, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Very good. Oblique crunches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good, shake it out, side punches, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Big breath, duck and swerve, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, center up, wiggle it out and celebrate. Set 1. Big breath, we're going right into set 2. All right, squat to press rotation. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center, very good. Oblique crunches, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Shake it out. Side punches, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Big breath, duck and swerve, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, center up. Alrighty, set 2, done and dusted. Great job. Big breath. Let's crush set number 3. Squat to press rotation. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, center, very good. Oblique crunches, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Shake it out. Side punches, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Big breath, duck and swerve, let's get it. 2, 1, center up. And that was it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of day 3 of your Muffin Top Toning Challenge. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Which move was your favorite? How excited you are for day 4 tomorrow with Coach Greg. See you there.